job description of a construction manager revolves around overseeing, planning, and executing construction projects from inception to completion. Construction managers are responsible for ensuring that building projects, whether residential, commercial, industrial, or infrastructure-based, are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required safety and quality standards. These professionals act as the bridge between the design phase and actual construction, coordinating the efforts of engineers, architects, subcontractors, and labor crews to bring a structure to life. Construction managers, sometimes known as site managers or project managers, operate in a fast-paced, highly dynamic environment. Their work starts with understanding the scope of the project, estimating costs, and developing detailed construction schedules. They play a pivotal role in selecting and supervising contractors, procuring materials, and ensuring that all site activities comply with legal regulations and safety protocols. These professionals must constantly adapt to changing conditions on the ground, troubleshoot problems as they arise, and make critical decisions that affect the direction and success of a project. As leaders on site, construction managers are expected to blend technical expertise with leadership, communication, and financial acumen. They are accountable not just for the physical progress of construction, but also for documentation, risk management, and client satisfaction. Whether managing a small-scale renovation or a multi-million-dollar high-rise development, their role is both demanding and vital in shaping the built environment. Key responsibilities of a construction manager. A construction manager begins their involvement in a project during the pre-construction phase. This includes evaluating blueprints and technical documents, estimating costs, determining labor needs, and creating a comprehensive timeline. They often collaborate with architects and civil engineers to assess feasibility, identify potential design or structural challenges, and propose practical solutions that ensure the build can proceed smoothly. Once construction begins, the manager is the central figure on site. They direct the daily operations, monitor the progress of work, and ensure that resources are used efficiently. Managing subcontractors is a significant part of the role. Construction managers are responsible for selecting qualified subcontractors, negotiating contracts, setting expectations, and holding them accountable for timelines and workmanship. This requires strong negotiation and interpersonal skills, as well as an understanding of different trades such as plumbing, electrical, carpentry, and masonry. One of the primary duties of a construction manager is budgeting. They track project expenditures, manage financial records, approve invoices, and keep the project aligned with its financial goals. If unexpected issues arise, such as delays in material delivery or price fluctuations, they must revise plans without compromising quality or deadlines. This financial oversight is essential, particularly in large-scale projects where budgets can quickly spiral without tight control. Health and safety compliance is another major responsibility. Construction sites are inherently hazardous, and the manager must ensure that all workers adhere to safety regulations and wear protective equipment. They conduct safety briefings, implement emergency protocols, and liaise with safety inspectors to maintain a safe working environment. Violations or negligence in this area can lead to serious accidents, legal consequences, and project shutdowns. Throughout the build, the construction manager maintains detailed documentation. This includes daily logs, change orders, inspection reports, and progress updates. Regular communication with stakeholders, including clients, architects, government officials, and engineers, is necessary to ensure transparency and alignment. Managers may also conduct site walkthroughs with stakeholders to provide updates and receive approvals at various stages of the project. Project scheduling is another cornerstone of the role. Construction managers must sequence tasks efficiently to avoid delays and ensure that dependencies between activities are handled properly. For example, they must ensure the foundation is poured and cured before framing begins, and that inspections occur at the right time. Using project management software such as Primavera or Microsoft Project, they monitor timelines, update progress, and adjust schedules when unforeseen issues arise. Midway through the exploration of these functions, it becomes clear that the job description of a construction manager encompasses a combination of leadership, strategy, technical coordination, and hands-on problem solving. It is a role that demands continuous multitasking and decision-making in real time. Essential skills and qualities required. To excel in this role, construction managers must possess a diverse set of skills. Technical knowledge of building methods, materials, and codes is essential. This includes familiarity with structural engineering principles, mechanical systems, and environmental regulations. While they may not design systems themselves, they must understand enough to supervise and troubleshoot. Strong leadership is one of the most important traits of a successful construction manager. They must lead teams with authority and fairness, resolve disputes quickly, and inspire cooperation among diverse stakeholders. Whether dealing with unmotivated workers, clashing subcontractors, or anxious clients, managers must handle challenges diplomatically and decisively. Communication is equally critical. A construction manager communicates with a wide range of people, from unskilled laborers to city inspectors and investors. They must convey complex instructions clearly, listen attentively to feedback, and maintain open lines of dialogue with all involved. Good communication helps prevent misunderstandings and keeps the project moving forward. Organizational and time management skills are non-negotiable. With hundreds of moving parts on a typical job site, the manager must coordinate people, materials, and equipment efficiently. Delays in one area can impact others, making planning and proactive coordination vital to success. Problem solving and adaptability are constant requirements. Unexpected weather, permit delays, labor shortages, or technical snags are common in construction. The ability to think critically, remain calm under pressure, and devise workarounds ensures that these hurdles do not derail the entire project. Familiarity with construction software and digital tools is becoming increasingly important. Tools such as AutoCAD, BIM, building information modeling, and scheduling platforms are widely used to plan, visualize, and manage projects. A tech-savvy manager is better equipped to make data-driven decisions and streamline operations. Work environment and typical challenges. Construction managers spend much of their time on site, monitoring progress, inspecting workmanship, and interacting with crews. Depending on the project, they may also spend time in offices reviewing plans, handling administrative tasks, or meeting with clients. The job involves exposure to weather conditions, noise, dust, and the physical demands of walking large sites or climbing scaffolding. The role can be stressful due to tight deadlines, fluctuating budgets, and the need to respond quickly to problems. Managers often work long hours, especially when project milestones approach or issues arise. Weekends and evenings are sometimes required, particularly in fast-track projects. Despite the challenges, construction management is a rewarding career. Seeing a structure come to life under your guidance, solving complex logistical puzzles, and leading teams to achieve tangible outcomes brings immense professional satisfaction. Moreover, construction managers are in high demand across the globe, with opportunities in commercial real estate, infrastructure development, industrial construction, and beyond. Education requirements for construction managers typically include a bachelor's degree in construction management, civil engineering, architecture, or a related field. Some start their careers as tradespeople or site supervisors and move into management roles through experience. Certifications such as the Certified Construction Manager, CCM, or OSHA safety training enhance credibility and job prospects. Toward the end of this review, it is worth emphasizing that the job description of a construction manager is not a fixed checklist. It is a dynamic and evolving role that requires continuous learning, innovation, and leadership under pressure. Conclusion. The job description of a construction manager outlines a leadership position central to the success of any building project. From pre-construction planning to final inspections, construction managers coordinate every stage of the process, ensuring safety, efficiency, and quality. Their blend of technical know-how, leadership ability, financial oversight, and on-the-ground presence makes them indispensable to the modern construction industry. For professionals who enjoy fast-paced environments, solving real-world problems, and turning designs into reality, construction management offers a challenging yet fulfilling career path. As urban development and infrastructure projects continue to expand globally, the role of construction managers remains both relevant and essential in shaping the physical landscape of our communities.